So in Zim, where do you come from?
Kwaka, Koromonzi. Kabora. I was here. It's 50 kilometers from Harare.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not far, eh?
Yeah. But I've done my Korango Kawanda in
South Africa. Serious?
Yeah, I done Kawanda. Okay, we are live now. Yeah, I'm just also gonna give you the message. I must have page on to my diaries. SIS MELLY.
Oh, are you on SIS MELLY's thing?
Yes, now. Yeah, I'm on the diaries now. I'm just a poem kind of tower. Tombeto to Anango and Dow, Wawitzer and Pichan. Yeah. Analo manya kudai SIS MELLY msadara umana. All right, guys. Hi Lorraine, hi Chanas, hi Stella, Sandra, Koshia. All right. Chico. All right, guys. Afternoon, everyone. My diary is Mrise. Ndawaya panapa ndinamkoma kita nditi. Mchawasivaisawo ndine special guest yamchazongona ichongo apia pa camera. Vachitauro nezvavo vachatsanangurira more in detail kuti tafamba sei, tauya sei pano. Chinhu chandongoda ngokuudza ndechekuti tauyo pano sevarume, part of the diaries. Tauyo se-BS. Ma-issues anoitika in the society haana basa kuti uri murume, haana basa kuti uri mukadzi. We are also part of the society. We are also part of the community. Saka nyaya yaNomater makainzwa zvikuru kuti pane munhu akapinda murestaurant ndobva vaenda vaida kuti vamubatsire. Unfortunately munhu wachona akabva aramba kuvabatsira akati haadi kubatsirwa nealign kana kuti foreigner. Iwedhi risingape picture yakanaka. Saka mukoma Keith through organization yavo futi vakazotangawo program yekuti no, we should go and visit Nomater tono kuti ari sei, tompo the message of support nekumpo zvishoma shoma zvavainazvo. Chandoda ngokudzawo ndechekuti we are not here kuti tauya kuzokumbira mari kana kuti tipewo mari yekuita sei, tinoda ma-donations. If you ask Mukoma Keith is going to say mari yataraisa yekupa SIS Nomater yabva kuma certain individuals, imwe yabva kuna Mukoma Keith. Handiti isusu sipano pano tinge chingotarisirawo kuti ngatingobatsiranai, ngatisapotanai munhamo nematambudziko. That's why we are a family. So nakutenda Mukoma Keith vandinawo. You're going to see him. He's going to give you the feedback. We've managed to talk to the management. Takavaudzawo nyaya yachona, vachakutsanangurai zvizere manje kuti tafamba sei and what is the way forward. But the point is very clear, guys. We are not here kuya kuzotsvaga mari kana kuti vanhu motanga muchiti SIS MELLY vari kuita sei. Izvi hazvinei SIS MELLY, guys. Let's support her. She has created a diary platform whereby ada kubatsira munhu anongobvisa akasimuka. So I'll just send over kuna Mukoma Keith ndichimbodyawo.
Makadi. Hi everybody. Salibonani. Okay, so someone is asking who Nomater is. All right, I'll just give you a background of what really happened. So my name is Oliver Keith. Some people call me Nacheska. I do a lot of comedy online. So what happened was there's a young Zimbabwean girl, Anushanda Wimpy. She was at work last week and pakapinda a customer, and she approached that customer to attend to her, and the customer ikati, I don't want to be served by a Zimbabwean. So I heard about the story, and I decided that I would pay a visit to that store, to the restaurant, and see how best I can offer emotional support to our sister. You know what? I know this is an issue that is very sensitive to a lot of people, but you cannot be called an African. You know, you cannot be called an alien or a foreigner in Africa by another African. You know, that's what, at least that's what I want to believe. And I was really touched by the story. You know, we just got out of a lockdown and people are struggling. You know, particularly people that work in the hospitality industry, and so on and so on. So I then decided to start an initiative in Onzing, hashtag tip for Nomater. You know, so Nomater is the young lady. She's struggling, you know, because she's came to South Africa to try and make her life better for herself and her family back home. So we have a hashtag tip for Nomater. It's basically me trying to raise money. I've raised about 2,000 rands, and I will be giving this money to our sister Nomater so that it can assist her in whatever way she wants, you know. So if you know someone that can assist this initiative, please ask them to get in touch with Munetsi, or they can get in touch with me. My Facebook name is Oliver Keith, and my phone number is 0785 996 870, and that's a South African number. You know, you know, we are all brothers and sisters. Whether you come from Bulawayo, whether you come from Mutare, or you come from Harare, Tirivana Vevu Tose, you know, and therefore we have to stand up for each other, you know. Our sister was verbally abused, so she will require emotional support, she will require psychological support. And so we've come here and we've spoken to management, and we've asked management, Kuti, so what systems are they putting in place as a business premise? What systems are they putting in place to make sure that no customer walks in here and says that I don't want to be served by a Zimbabwean? You know, this would have been totally a different issue had a white person walked in and said they don't want to be served by a black person. I'm sure the country would be burning by now, and we don't want it to get to that stage. We just want the company to put in place a system that does not condone discrimination. All right, so please get in touch with us. You can get in touch with me. My Facebook name is Oliver Keith, and my number 0785 996 870. Thank you all for supporting SIS MELLY. Thank you all for showing your support. God bless you, and please continue staying safe and taking care of one another. Bye.
Yes, mavanzwa mukoma Keith vabva kutaura, haiwa vataura zvizere kuti isusu munhu akaitika zvakaitika kuna Nomater munhu echisikana, isusu tiri varume. Saka isusu sevarume, we have decided to make an initiative yekuti regai tiye tizobhakachira paisenza SIS Nomater. Again, I also want to emphasize kuti hatisi kuuya pano padiaries kuti tikutsvagawo madonations tikudiwo mari kuita sei. Zvataurwa namukoma Keith kuti most of the money that he has raised, it has come from his own pocket. Saka I also want this thing to be very clear. Tiripo pakubatsirana nekuita sei. And I'm going to tell you pakupedzisira ndechekuti SIS MELLY imuri kuita basa renyu zvakanaka. Kamba makashinga, and ma challenges agara aripo, vanhu vanotuka, vanhu vanoitaura sei. Izvo hazviri kutadzise kuti murambe muchiita basa ramuri kuita. We are there to support you, and I pray that tito varume vakaita sangana Mr. Munetsi, vakaita sangana mukoma Keith ava, so that we join you in your hands tichisimudzirana semaZimbabweans. Zvataurwa namukoma Keith kuti management Wimpy, they have promised us that they are taking this matter very seriously, and we've tapiwa phone number yemanagement. They are going to give us a feedback kuti zviri kufamba sei etc. Unfortunately Nomater tinokwanisa kumuona nenyaya yekuti inyaya iri under investigation. She is not working in this store. Pane kwavakamisa vanavo kutaura. But anyway, thank you very much everyone. Mwari akuropafadzei and have a beautiful day.